Our weather has been atypical for this time of the year, cool conditions, and we haven't had many north wind events, meaning low fire danger. However, something pretty abnormal is happening in Hawaii. Just last night, we had wildfires take off, and you could see on the satellite imagery those hotspots on Maui, especially western Maui and Lahaina, an area that is so popular, a town that is battling fires right now. So these are the wildfire hotspots. This is Maui right here. Lahaina is on the western part of the island, where you have many hotspots showing up, and other islands too. You have a red flag warning currently in effect through this evening with gusts around 60 miles per hour. Now, why is this happening? How is this happening? It all has to do with a hurricane. Here's Hurricane Dora circling down to the south. You may be thinking, well, it passed so far south of Hawaii. How could that have an impact? Well, the winds from the hurricane itself didn't have an impact, but it's the pressure gradient that formed. There's an area of high pressure to the north. That's a strong area of low pressure, the hurricane to the south. And wind goes from high to low pressure. And that's what caused the pickup in winds and why the fire danger has increased so much. This hurricane itself is a monster. It's very strong, Category 4. That means max winds 130 miles per hour with gusts even faster. It is continuing its path out to the west, so it will no longer affect Hawaii, except for the breeze that it's currently creating. Here at home in California, we've had an interesting fire season where not much has happened, but recently we had the York fire down in the Mojave Desert. That has burned 93,000 acres out of the 113,000 acres burned throughout the state. That means one fire accounts for over 80% of the acres burned in the state. This is a little bit more than last year at this time, but very far from the 5-year average, which is almost 400,000 acres burned at this point in the